These lectures compare and contrast the sinking of two famous ships, the Titanic and the Costa Concordia, is because the similarities and difference between the two incidents, focusing on the circumstances of the sinkings, the actions of the crew and passengers, and the outcomes of the disasters. For the first one is similarity. The both of the two ships was enormous, and they were the mega ship in their time. Titanic was 882 feet long and 9 decks, and the Costa Concordia was 951 feet long and 30 decks. And they were both the luxurious ships. The ships contained restaurants, places for relaxing, and various of activities. About the sinking event, there was an act of courage and also cowardice. Some men even gave seats in the lifeboat for children and women. And on the Titanic, there was a rule that always priority the women and the children. But also there was an act of cowardice. Once men dressed as the woman to get the seat. On the Costa Concordia, also, there was a very man for himself. The captain even left the boat first. He said that he felt in the lifeboat. And nowadays, most people believe that captain should be the last person to leave the ships. About the difference, the Titanic was the transatlantic ocean liner. It used for transportation and it sank in the deep, cold ocean water. However, the Costa Concordia fell deep in the sea at the warm and shallow water, and was a Mediterranean cruise ship in 2012. Also, the cause of the disaster was also different. The Titanic struck in an iceberg, and the Costa Concordia struck in a shelf of rocks. The most important thing that the number of deaths, the Titanic have more than 500 people drowned and frozen to death, and more than 700 survived. About the Costa Concordia, it have 32 deaths, 2 missing, and 420 survived. The reason for that the Titanic have only a half of number of the lifeboats need, and most of them are full. Some people never have a chance to be saved. Meanwhile, the Costa Concordia have more than 25% ships more than the people. But because it's lying on the side, the lifeboat could not be lowered to water. In conclusion, the Titanic and Costa Concordia disasters, despite the difference in time, cause, and outcome, it highlights the inherent risk of maritime travel. They serve as reminders that accidents can happen unexpectedly, emphasizing the importance of safety measures and preparedness.